Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I just had this 2021 model Nautique, Super Air Nautique 210 just show up. This is the boat that put Nautique on the map in the wakeboard world and put them at the very top. This is a fantastic wakeboarding hull, and now it even has the NSS tab as well as the CRS tab and surf pipe to make it an all-around fantastic surf and wakeboard boat. Let's jump up inside, show you how this fantastic color combination came together. Love the gray on red with the white accents. Nice cool touch vinyl seating, so when you're out there riding for the day in the sun, it doesn't get too hot. On the sides here, we do have the Nautique Pro Ballast system with an extra divider so you don't lose all of your storage. You've still got plenty of storage there on top. Walking through, you can see we have lots of seating in this boat. There's plenty of space for all your friends. Extra weight too on the boat when you've got this thing loaded down. Nice, crisp, huge wake. Surf pockets up top. Board racks on both sides. Lots of cup holders throughout. And Nautique really puts a lot of thought into their design on these boats. You can see on the captain's chair here, we've got a flip-up bolster, but we've also got a nice big cutout, so when you're driving, you can easily turn around and look at your riders behind you. Also on the other side, got a nice little flip-up backrest bolster there with storage underneath. Finally up front on the bow, plenty of room for lounging, and look at all those cup holders. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any other of the awesome Nautiques that we have in stock, which we have a really good selection of, give me a call, send me a text. My cell phone is 303-875-3988. Thanks.